Meanwhile, school van driver stays sitting at Nambol Kori Power Lampak, protesting against rising monetary demands through threat and assertive means. Organized by van drivers' unions, the sit-in was aimed to raise the issue of mental and security risks van drivers face on a daily basis while carrying school children to schools along Maitram to Nambol Sabal Lekai area. Speaking to media, Brilliant Van Union Malom Advisory Angom Doran said that drivers endure with minimal monthly income due to infrequent van fares and monthly mechanical repair bills. He urged those concerned to cease such monetary demands from van drivers and stop further threat to their normal lives.
Ben Tauja Bakway, Angang Sina, Matam Jana Pashapi Biba, Shunati, Alegi Karapida, Karsonta Taunina, Pujanwana, Tau Tokaga, Alegi Gari Shem, Tokin Katojaga, Karlemoduna, Koimu Manu, maintenance Katojaba. Aduna Sukona Sunati, Natragasu, Poitung the Horriba, Angang Sipukoju, Moibu, Yumian, Kala, when Angang Sipu Pensavista. When the Tojaraga Pubi, I machine Taman Magita Boxacoina, Nakatsavan, Asida, when a hygenic Medi, and our machine Boxo Hijacarabani, our PB set of Bigano, Hina Quina, Pagina Mol Makai, and Asidi, Lanasida, Pungu celebration.